Making money has never been easier. By using only your mobile phone, you could be making all this money. The steps are going to be as easy as reciting the alphabet, so you're not going to have a hard time whatsoever at all. To get started with this method, go ahead and what's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Making money online has been super easy these days, especially with the technology that we already have. All you need is just an internet and a mobile device, and you're pretty much good to go. You can make money just with that. And our method for today is going to be revolving around that in particular. Now, we're going to be doing very simple tasks with our phone, with an internet connection, and we're going to be making a very good amount of money. But if you're consistent, if you're showing up every day, then you're going to be making even more money, and that is the goal for today's video. That is the limit that we want to reach. So make sure that you watch today's video from start to finish. It's free and it's available worldwide. It's very easy, it's very quick, so let's get on. Now, I want to remind you before we get into the video that you have to watch the entire thing to really understand the strategy, to really understand how to set up the method. And we know that the chances of earning money online is going to increase and actually make you a passive income stream if you do what we tell you to do. So make sure that you don't skip anything because you're going to regret it. And before we actually proceed to the website, I want to show you the payment method of today's website. Now, they pay via PayPal and other outlets as well. They have bank transfers. And this method is very easy. I mean, look at all of the amounts that you're going to be making. It may look like small amounts, but if you actually add these all up together, if you actually accumulate these, it's going to make really, really big sums of money that is actually going to blow your mind. So, this is the first website that we're going to be showing you. In this platform, you're just going to be doing simple tasks. You're going to like videos, you're going to watch them, you're going to fill up surveys, you're going to visit websites, and just email something to someone. And one of these tasks are kind of low paying, so they're not worth it, but altogether, actually, these will make like a big amount of money. So, our first website is called PicoWorkers.com, and this is a very great platform. It can actually make us a ton of money, but that's based on my experience, and it has the most effective money-making tasks as well, because all you have to do is like and watch videos, and you're gonna earn money. But if you actually stay with me until the end of the video, I'm actually gonna show you a special tip that's gonna help you multiply your earnings. So make sure that you really watch, okay? Now, I'm gonna give you one bonus tip to earn more money with this platform, and that is to use the referral program. You can either share the website to all the people that you know personally and virtually, and you will have like a big chance of earning so much money, of earning what they're earning daily and monthly, or every time they earn some money. As soon as they sign up and do tasks on the website, you're going to be earning. And that's pretty much it. Isn't that amazing? They're going to be doing basically the job for you, and all you have to do is just wait for the commission to be transported into your bank account or your PayPal account. Please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see from us so that our future videos will be based off of all your suggestions. We'd love to read through them and get some ideas, so make sure you do that, and let's get back into the video. Now, remember that if you don't want to rely on the referral program, you can do the tasks yourself and earn much lower but guaranteed income. Though these tasks are low paying, they are easy to do and they are going to make you money. Now, we're going to go back to the home page, and I want to show you that as soon as you've completed all of the tasks assigned by the client, you're going to need to show proof of completion in order to be paid in terms of submission. We're going to show you how to do it so that you can get paid, because some people, they just complete the task without actually showing them a screenshot or whatever, which is why they don't get paid. And that's why you shouldn't just scan through today's video, because you're gonna miss out on really important information. Now, how to execute the job and earn money online with that, and this is how you're gonna do it. Okay, but I'm gonna show you that in a bit, because we're gonna move on to the next website that is also gonna be requiring the same thing. So they're gonna be basically falling on the two same things. So next website is called Earnably.com, and this platform, it has a point system where there are like a number of points that will actually exchange to cash in this platform. And we're gonna teach you how you can make a lot of points to make a lot of money. Now, another tip, if you're not from the US, you would need to use Proton VPN to use this website and sign up on this platform. But all you have to do basically is actually watch videos, for example, where you will be click on one of the companies right here, and then you're going to be brought to a video where you're going to watch until it ends, and skipping's not allowed. And what's great about this money making videos that you're going to be watching is that, or not even money making videos, any random video basically, but the best thing about that is that you could just let it play in the background. You don't have to look at it. If you were to combine your income with the first website, you would make a lot of money to actually pay for all your needs and your wants. Just make sure that you focus on watching videos, liking the videos. It's the easiest and the most time-saving way to earn money. So let's continue. But if you are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you're not gonna regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it, so that every time we post a new video, you're gonna be the first to know, and you're gonna be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. I'm going to be showing you our third website, and you're also going to be completing tasks in order to make money just like any other. And also, just by using your smartphone, sending text messages. You may also use your smartphone to check into the app, make money by doing whatever they ask. Sometimes they'd ask you to reply to a post or to a person, take pictures of particular things like maybe some food accessories, plants, or pretty much anything, right? It's very simple. So you can join very easily. You click on this button and it will automatically take you to the Google Play Store, or if you're using an Apple product, it's going to take you to the Apple App Store. Also on the Play Store, this app has been rated 4 stars, so that's where you know that this thing is legit and you can actually trust that it'll pay you. So when you've done that, in addition to the task designed by Street Fees, you can apply to be an ambassador and participate in the ambassador program. They want to compensate us for the assistance that we're going to be spreading the news about the business to other people, and you can become an ambassador while earning some pretty good money. Now, the only reason why they're doing this is because it's a very young company and they still need help to grow, so they can take all of the assistance that they can get, they'll take it. So in earning money by using this website and this app, we're going to earn money and we're going to help them get more people to get there. So just click on this button to enter the required information that they ask, and that's really all there is to it. Just remember that if you combine all 3 websites together, you're going to be earning so much money than those who are only choosing to use one. So that's pretty much it. Thanks guys for staying until the very end of today's video. Don't forget to comment anything that you want, comment any recommendations, any suggestions, or if you just want to show us some love, we'd pretty much appreciate it. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.